water. I'd give my roots for one drop.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That incoming nose tickle.
Hey! Little Cloud! Down here! Help! Please!
Can't hold it in.
Yahoo! That's the stuff! Thanks, Puff!
You're welcome. Bless me.
Sometimes, letting it all out is the best thing to do.